Hi, in this video we'd like to talk about another popular question regarding hyperemesis gravidarum. A lot of anxious future mothers are asking us this question, which is, can hyperemesis gravidarum cause death? Now, this question can be referring to two things. First of all, it's maternal death and fetal death. So, to discuss this topic wholly, we need to begin during the 1950s and 1960s, where hyperemesis gravidarum was still very poorly understood. There's still very little awareness, no management at all, no treatment method at all at that time. And also many people are confusing it with morning sickness. A lot of doctors are also still denying its existence till today. So because of poor awareness, poor healthcare, no treatment, at that time there was significant rates of death, both maternal and fetal death, for hyperemesis gravidarum patients. However, as medical technology advancement is progressing to today, we can see that there's a significant drop in hyperemesis related maternal death. However, the risk is still there, especially for those mothers who are still losing a lot of weight despite all of the managements that we offer this year in recent years. For example, the IV fluids and also anti-vomiting medication, anti-anxieties. These are the common conventional treatments that is being offered in hospitals all over the world to only manage your symptoms. So these patients, although their symptoms are managed, they are still actually experiencing the symptoms at a certain level. It can still cause maternal death if they do not choose to go for an abortion, an induced abortion. So they are bearing this risk, and this risk is definitely there, however, significantly reduced. And furthermore, because treatment methods that is offered in conventional hospitals nowadays only serve to suppress symptoms, it's still very ineffective, and we still cannot guarantee full recovery in other hospitals besides Antai Hospital. Antai Hospital's HG vaccine can actually cause you to symptoms to subside and also fully recover during the midst of pregnancy, as we manage all your pre-existing conditions and also treat the underlying root cause. So you need to choose your treatment carefully. So although risk is significantly reduced, the risk is still there, and treatment methods at conventional hospitals are still rather ineffective in managing, and you still need to suffer through the entire pregnancy period. Now, on the second component, on fetal death, now back then, before IV and also the current managements, fetal death is another common outcome. So hyperemesis gravidarum is also listed as a common cause of miscarriage. At Antai Hospital, we understand that one of the most prominent causes for miscarriage and recurrent miscarriage is hyperemesis gravidarum. And because many hospitals are unable to provide effective treatment, fetal death is actually a common outcome rather than maternal death. They can secure mother's health, but they cannot secure fetal health and fetal life because their treatment is not effective. It's not dealing with the underlying root cause, and this mother is actually losing a lot of nutrients, a lot of weight, a lot of fluids. It's very hard to sustain this pregnancy, and furthermore, to secure the mother's life, these mothers are actually recommended to go for an abortion to terminate the pregnancy, to secure their life, because current conventional managements still are unable to actually fully treat this condition. That's why Antai Hospital now offers a highly effective HG vaccine, also known as our HCG desensitizer. Now, this treatment, if you receive it before pregnancy, you will see that you will not have hyperemesis at all. And this time you can secure yourself a smooth pregnancy. Both maternal life and fetal life is secured. And furthermore, if you receive this treatment during the midst of pregnancy, you can also see effective treatment outcome. You won't need to depend on medication or IV fluids, or do not need to be hospitalized the entire pregnancy period. This is what we can guarantee at Antai Hospital, and this is something that we are offering to our patients globally, because many of them are still suffering, still unaware that Antai Hospital is now offering this effective treatment. So to raise more awareness on this treatment, to also secure healthy pregnancies for our HG survivors, please share this video to those that are seeking to conceive but are afraid of hyperemesis. let them know that there's hope now, that there's treatment now, and they can receive it either before pregnancy or during pregnancy. So just get in touch with us via the website. Let's have a discussion via video call and discuss when you're going to receive this treatment, do some pregnancy planning, and once these are achieved, Antai Hospital can guarantee that you will have a smooth pregnancy without hyperemesis with our treatment.